here today at Nazih showroom launching Ardell Beauty's new products. Our brand was built on, lashes and brow products, so now we're so excited to extend the line into like mascaras, eyeliners, eyeshadows, and lipsticks.
Hi, I'm Julie. I'm from Denman International. We're celebrating our 80th anniversary, and in conjunction with the Nazih Group, we have our very special UAE brush.
Hello, now hair-Toxx are here in Nazih store, Sheikh Zayed Road, to bring this big launch, the frozen flat iron. So this tool is going to boost the hair-Toxx treatment.